Hello everyone. Today let us learn a new lesson. Microorganisms, friend and foe. Points to remember. Microorganisms are too small and are not visible with the naked eye. They can live in all kinds of environment, ranging from ice-cold climate to hot springs, desert and marshy lands. Microorganisms are found in air, water, and in the bodies of plants and animals. They may be unicellular or multicellular. Microorganisms include bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. Viruses, though different from the above mentioned living organisms, are referred to as microbes. Viruses are quite different from other microorganisms. They reproduce only inside the host organism, bacterium, plant or animal cell. Types of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. Viruses are another type of microorganisms. They are different from other microorganisms as they reproduce only in the body of host organisms like bacteria, plants or animals. Friendly microorganisms. The bacterium called lactobacillus reproduces in milk and helps to convert milk into curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. Acetobacter aceti. Bacteria is used for production of acetic acid from alcohol. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine by growing them on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice and crushed fruits, juices, etc. Antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of diseases. Some microorganisms reside in the root nodules of leguminous plants. They can fix atmospheric nitrogen from air into soil and increase the soil fertility. Specialized bacteria convert nitrates and nitrites present in the soil into nitrogen gas, which is released in the atmosphere. Some microorganisms decompose the organic wastes like dead plants and animals into simple substances and clean up the environment. Harmful microorganisms. Disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Common ailments like cold, influenza and most coughs are caused by viruses. Serious diseases like polio and chickenpox are also caused by viruses. Diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoans. Typhoid and tuberculosis are due to bacteria. Anthrax, a bacterial disease, is very fatal and causes disease to human and cattle. Foot and mouth diseases of cattle is caused by a virus. Some common human diseases caused by microorganisms. Some of the common plant diseases. Food poisoning. Microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produce toxic substances. This makes the food poisonous and result in serious illness and even death. Food preservation. Salts, sugar, edible oils and vinegar are the common chemicals generally used to check the growth of microorganisms. Therefore, they are called preservatives. Heat and cold treatments also inhibit the growth of microbes. Pasteurization of milk. The milk is heated to 70 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. Such milk is referred to as pasteurized milk. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen from the atmosphere is converted into nitrogen compounds by some bacteria like Rhizobium and blue-green algae present in the soil and also by lightning. On the other hand, certain other bacteria present in the soil convert nitrogen compounds into nitrogen gas that is released to the atmosphere. Algae, a group of plants which is mostly aquatic. They are autotrophs. Their body is not divided into root, stem and leaf. Antibiotics, the medicines that kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms are called antibiotics. Bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled organisms. They can be seen only under microscope. Their cells are prokaryotic. Carrier. The organisms which carry the pathogen from a diseased person to a healthy person are called carriers. For example, female Anopheles mosquito. Communicable diseases. Microbial diseases that can be spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food or physical contact are called communicable diseases. Fermentation. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by yeast is called fermentation. Yeast. Yeast is a unicellular fungi. Fungi are non-green plants. They cannot synthesize their own food. They may be unicellular or multicellular. Protozoa. Protozoa are unicellular animals. Rhizobium. Rhizobium is a bacteria which lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants. This helps in the fixation of nitrogen. Vaccine. The substance which is injected to trigger the body develop its own defense by producing antibodies is called vaccine. Summary. In this module, we learned about types of microorganisms, friendly microorganisms, harmful microorganisms, some common human and plant diseases caused by microorganisms, food preservation, nitrogen cycle and vaccine. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Bye.